This time the give goes to Meacham. He turns the right corner, got a lot of room, to the 20, to the 15, 10, cuts back, 5, touchdown, Jordan Meacham. He rumbles 40 yards. First down from the 25. Duke keeps it on the ground again, and look at this. Plenty of room as Julius Chestnut's across midfield. He could go to the 30, to the 20, 10, touchdown. Chestnut goes 75 yards. Ball's on the 10, so it's first and goal. Right up the middle, Julius Chestnut untouched. And the Pioneers have themselves a 20-14 lead with 9:08 left in the first half. Meacham with the running play. He's going to try to turn the left corner and does. 35-40, had a couple of blocks. He could go to the 40, to the 30. Meacham, 20, 10, 5. Touchdown. Meacham, the deep back. The play fake. Duke, he's got the first down, and he's going to go all the way into the end zone for a 24-yard score. This is Chestnut. Look at this. He's got plenty of room across midfield to the 40, 30, could go, 20, 10, touchdown, Julius Chestnut. It goes for 62 yards, his third rushing touchdown of the day from the shadow of his own goalpost. They give it to Meacham, and he breaks a tackle, and let's see, it's a sprint to the 35, to the 50. Could Meacham go? This would be a 99-yard touchdown. Jordan Meacham. And a botched extra point attempt, and the ball's just floating around. Sacred Heart picks it up down the near sideline. That's Pepra. He wants to go for 2, and he's going to try it. 30, 20. Can he hold on? Is there enough oxygen for Pepra? There is.
He wants the mask. Where's the oxygen mask? He wants it now.